Today, 3 programs. So one is registration. Second one is a login. Okay. Third one is a transaction management, so that we can complete this JDBC part. First one is a registration. Registration is a simple. Here, first we need to create one table called register. In case if it is there, I am deleting this table, register table. Yes, table is already there. I'm deleting. Now I'm creating that. Create table. Table name is a register. One is a username, is a varchar of size is 20. Second one is a password. It is also varchar of 20. Just created the table. Because first of all, whenever the people trying to log in, first we are giving the information. If not yet registered, first register, like that. So we need to collect them the registration details. Registration. It's the same insertion code only. Insertion code only. So I'm taking the same one. I'm taking the same one. Here, new. The class I'm taking directly. Class name is a register or registration. Simply any name. Registration. Yes, come in. Yes, registration. And here, now we are taking exactly the complete thing. You just copy paste everything. Everything we just copy paste. And what we are doing here, first, loading the driver, establish the connection. Now here we are asking, insert into register. Insert into register values, username and password. But we should ask, so we are asking like this. Enter username. Enter username. That is, we are taking that username. Just uname equal to scan.next. Next, look at this. Enter password. Enter password. Generally, whenever you register, confirm password also we will take. System.out.print, just confirm the password. Normally, of course, is a text boxes actually later, HTML text boxes, but as of now, like this is a confirm password. Is a confirm password. That is okay. So first of all, we need to check. The password and confirm password are same or not. If the password dot string and string comparison equals method equals. If both are equal, then only you can insert. Else giving that message. Password not matches with the confirm password. Not matches with the confirm password. Normally in registration, what will happen? we give like this: to enter the username, password and confirm password. If both are equal, sir, why we are asking confirm password? Because normally password is visible with the dots. By mistake, if they enter any wrong password, suppose if you suppose they want to enter like suppose here it is a Srinivas 123, but actually it will show like this. But by mistake, in place of 3, they enter 2 times. They are thinking I entered Srinivas 123, but by mistake entered 2. That's why they will check password and confirm password. 2 times they will take the password. If the 2 times they enter same thing, then only they allow. You know that registration process. Same thing we are doing. Now both are equal. Then only we update by setting the values to this register to the ts dot set string. First one is a username. Second one is a password. Is a password or confirm password, because both are same now. Then execute update. Execute update. That is. And here it is giving that one count equal to, wherever suppose if count is greater than 0, registration successful. Registration successful. That is. Else registration failed. Registration failed. That's all. This is the way. First, we are registering the information. See, suppose here I'm taking like this. Initially, in the database, suppose I'm taking select star from register, no values are there. No values. But now here we are giving enter username, password. I'm giving 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 5, 6 I have given. Password not matches with the confirm password. Failed. No, I'm just running like this. Properly now we are giving. Properly. Amar. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Registration successful. Registration successful. Next one more. One more registration. And here it is, I'm giving that Annie. 4321 4321. Registration successful. Right here it is with the 2 usernames I registered, because the details will go and store into this one. Look at this. Username and password. Username and password, that is. Okay. Is the one. Now it's a registration completed. But here it is in project, once registration completed, then automatically we forward it to the login page. Okay, registration successful. Now you can go to that login page. Now here I am writing that login page. Login page. Okay now. Here login details I am taking. Is a login. Is a login. That is. In this one, now, when we are going to login, first we should ask, enter the username and enter the password. Same story. No? Enter the username and enter the password. First step. Preparation later. We will do it later. First one, enter the username and enter the password. Sorry. This is later. Leave it. Now I'm writing the code manually. First we ask, enter username. Okay. We are just reading that username. Scan dot next. Enter password. Enter password. That is, we are just collecting that password. And first thing, we need to check in a simple way. Exactly record is there or not directly we can tell. Directly. Exactly record is there or not directly we can tell. What is it record? If username and password, this is the way. String query is equal to, look at this easy way. Select star from register where username equal to question mark, password equals to question mark. Password equal to question mark. It's the most easiest way. What is that? See, I'll check. Select star from register where username is equal to, suppose if I'm giving Amar, it will give, and password equal to 1 2 3 4. Suppose if you give like this, see is given. I'm giving directly values. What they have entered, we are giving. Suppose if they enter, sir, they are entering Amar, and suppose 4321 they enter. Is it there? Look at this, no row selected. Try to understand here, I'm showing. Suppose if they enter Amar and 1 2 3 4, same query we are writing, then it will return that one. Okay, is there. Suppose if they enter Amar and 4321, same we are entering with that no row selected. So that's why username and password. Now we prepare the statement. Prepared statement. TS is equals to connection dot prepare statement of query. We are giving the values. PS dot set string 1 comma uname. For this question mark uname we need to set. PS dot set string of 2 is a password. Here for the second question mark, password. Then execute query. It will give result set now. Result set rs is equal to ps dot execute query. Execute query. That is. So if it is giving rs dot next, if record is there, simple message is a login success. Because it is record is there. Else login failed. Else login failed. As a login success, login failed. First, we are asking to enter username and password. By giving the username and password, we are trying to retrieve the record. If username and password both are correct, it will return the record. Else it will not return the record. So based on that, we can specify. Based on that. Login failed, login success. When you are executing this one. When you are executing this one. Sir, one more also I'll tell. In this one more also. I'm executing the code. Here it is a username. Username, password is 4321 I have given. Login failed. But what is the problem? Username or password or later. Once again I'm executing. Once again I'm executing the code. Username, password is 1234. Login success. Normally this is enough. Normally this is enough. But sometimes, sir, username problem or password problem, they will ask. Sir, username wrong or maybe password wrong also they will ask. That one also we need to check. By passing the username, you need to collect the password. You need to collect the password. Sir, how? Sir, how? One more code I am writing again. Complete one more code. Is a login check. Consider. Login check. Okay. Now, look at this. Sir, I want to collect the password. Select password from register where username equal to. I'm passing only username, sir. I will not pass the password. Got it? Nothing but when you enter the username, it will give the password. This password you are comparing with the password what they have entered. What they have entered. Here you will get clear meaning of everything. Suppose execute query. Sir, if it is not there. If it is not there. Because if username is wrong. Suppose instead of Amar, they have given suppose Ramya. Instead of Amar, suppose if they have given Ramya, then what? Username is incorrect. So select password from register where username Ramya means no such record, na? It will give directly false. So you can say that wrong username, clear messages. No such username that is. User is not there. Clearly, user not found. User not found. No, sir, user is there. Then get the password. String password is equal to rs dot get string of 1. Because you are getting the password, na? Collect the password and store into this pass. Password is there. Now check this password, what they have entered and what you collect from the database, both are equal or not. If what they have entered is equals of what you have collected, then login success. Login success. Else invalid password. Wrong password. Now clear meanings. Username problema, password problema, you will get. But in the previous case, you will not. See when you run this. When you run this. Suppose, sir, by mistake, I entered is a Ramya. Password is 1234. User not found. Not login success, login failed. Problem with user, no such user. So enter username correctly. Okay. Now I enter the username. Now I enter the username correctly. Password is a wrong I have given. Clear message, invalid password. If password is a correct, if password is correct, if password is correct, login success. Right? Two ways are there for login and registration. That is okay. So enough practice all these things, and in the drive I uploaded menu driven application. So please go through that and you please complete that. Only the transaction management I'll explain tomorrow because it's a long process. After transaction management, one callable statement example I'll explain, so that we will start servlets. Mostly Monday I will start servlets also. Okay, na? You can leave.